Hey guys, it's me again, Barry, with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's demonstration is going to be on a unit that the customer has requested a repair to original stock, which is not always possible, but on this unit it was. And so we're just here to run it through a final test before we ship her back. This comes from Greg in Renton, Washington. It's out of a 1970 AMC AMX, which I understand is a pretty cool car. So let's go ahead and turn this puppy on.
Hide their sexual nature.
Station tuned in a little better there.
To a large extent.
Okay, that's our strong AM station, so there'll be two more on this end of the dial.
Presents the 9th annual boot drive.
There's one.
Kurt Shadoff has worked with Dan Bagley from AMX for as
and we'll just make sure we've got both speakers operating.
That December 23rd through December 26th.
Going to rotate our balance control.
To celebrate the holiday.
Let's go back to the strong station.
About when and how much.
Just want to test the balance control.
Or
okay.
How much it
balance
moves,
left.
Right?
Balance right.
I mean, you and I have talked about
left.
this so many times.
Right.
It's enormous.
Okay, back to center.
The effect of sex on a man and his...
Okay, let's test the 8-track function. We got some Bonanza guitars going on here. Bonanza guitars. We don't need the meters anymore.
These days with not having
okay, Bonanza guitars. Here we go.
To reveal...
Okay, once again, just another quick, make sure we're getting both sides on all 4 tracks. It is possible to adjust an 8-track player to where it'll play 3 of the programs with both speakers, but either 1 or 4 will only have 1 speaker. So whenever I test an 8-track through all the channels or through all the programs, I want to make sure both speakers are working on all 4 programs, which you can see it is doing on this one. Okay,
but it's what's gonna
now we're going to pop in, as I've been doing lately, going to pop in a more familiar tape just so you can make sure the speed's correct. Got some Anne Murray. I'm sure we don't need this stuff anymore. Anne Murray, just for very short duration to avoid copyright problems. Out. Radio comes back. Okay, and the last thing to check is the dial light. I always replace the dial light, so let's just make sure that flashes on and off in response to my connection and disconnection. Yep, you can see it right about where the pointer is. You can see that dial light flashing on and off. So that completes the test. Everything's groovy. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track player either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. To this radio, I could have added FM, Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, and maybe even a few other things. This customer requested as original as possible, and that's possible about 50% of the time. So, my website's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.